purposely to enhance interoperability training to improve capability among participants. And for the situation, we are tasked to conduct amphibious raid in order to capture and destroy the enemy and allow the passage of the main amphibious force. Learn here to apply in the future. That's all. To train participants, not only the armed forces of the Philippines, but the participating nations, sharing of capabilities, TTPs, which mean tactics. All tactics will be shared to all participants, and it is a collective tactics to be used when needed during operations.
Great experience to have a hand-in-hand experience with the other counterparts from the Korea and the other units. Maganda ito na kinakandak pa rin kasi pagdating ng panahon na we will be needing support from the other countries, meron tayong mga magagamit. At least nakapag-experience tayo sa kanila ng exchange of expertise in terms of tactics and procedures.